Hello mga foodie fam! Bag-o lang yun ko nakatry og sobrang lingaw sa Hugo Restaurant and Lounge. Tara! Ubani ko ninyo!
Alright, first dish, beef skewer. Next one would be the 𝙃𝙪𝙜𝙧𝙯 or sizzling 𝙃𝙪𝙜𝙧𝙯. Sizzling roast beef. Treasure of seafood chowder, so our best seller, crispy pata. Salted egg shrimp. Parmesan chicken. Honey glazed chicken. Our best seller, back ribs full. Chicken and mushroom pasta with truffle oil sauce. Hugo garden salad. Chicken and cheese quesadilla. Beef kare-kare. Oxtail and oxrice.
Matud pa sa tanan, ang kada kaon nimo diri mura kang makalangit. And guess what? Ang ilang mga top picks kay mga game changer gyud. Plus, sakto og suweto kayo ilang drink selections na ay wines, beers para sa tanang hilig sa ilimnon kini. Hugo Restaurant and Lounge is the spot for upscale dining in CDO. Ready na ka sa luxury experience? Hit up Hugo Restaurant and Lounge on Facebook now to book your spot. Don't sleep in the extraordinary experience of Hugo Restaurant and Lounge.